but also to say that where we are after a journey of tear gas and great police brutality, I just wanted to caution that we are only on a commercial break. We have just taken a stop in a journey. So don't let your guard down. We are not yet there. Until the price of unga comes down, we are not yet there. Until the high cost of electricity comes down, we are not yet there. Until school fees comes down, we are not yet there. Until fuel comes down, we are not yet there. Until the server opens and we know the truth, we are not yet there. So, what has happened is a gesture which we want to believe is in good faith and goodwill in terms of stopping the process of reconstitution of IEBC and allowing a bipartisan process. And I want to agree with Honorable Martha Karua that talking about the national code is not about going back to the Nusumkati government. It's about arriving at an accord. An accord is an agreement between parties negotiated freely without coercion or otherwise. So we want a fair process that will give us an accord that will now be brought to Parliament for ratification by the House. So that clarification must be taken. We don't want a Nusumkati government because already the Kenya Kwanza government is a Nusumkati government. Because when Rigathi Gachagua has already said, hii ni serikali ya shareholders. Na ukiangalia vile hiyo serikali imeundwa, si shareholders ni wawili, si wanajulikana. So it's already a Nusumkati government. We don't want to be party to it. We only want justice to be done. We want the truth to be known. And ultimately, I want to ask you in the words of the great poet Robert Frost, where a traveler stopped in the woods, and the woods were dark and lovely, and he almost got comfortable. But he said, we still have miles to travel and promises to keep. So even as we take this stop, this break, and enter into this space of negotiations, we still have miles to travel and promises to keep to the people of Kenya who can't put food on the table, whose children in the university now don't have help, and they are crying out. Children have been left out of secondary schools. And these are the promises we must keep even as we travel this journey. For the media, as we salute our new supporters, we must salute you. We heard the DP Gachagua say, ati media nyinyi ni watu wetu. Walisema media nyinyi ni watu wa Azimio. But we want to tell you, you are our people because we have no intentions of crushing you. We don't want to crush you like the other side. You are our partners, and the free media is the cornerstone of our democracy that we are fighting to protect. May I take this opportunity to call